Hi, this is rickysun. I'm the historian guy. Today, I wanted to share with you something really disappointed from Google Cloud when I decided to learn Google Cloud and host my VM there, right? And in here, you see a couple VMs I built, like 5 VM I built, and then some of them start like the domain controller, ignition, and TD engine here, and I want to start Canary VM as well, for example, and see what happens. And it said failed to start this VM. E2 standard 4 VM instance is currently unavailable in this availability zone in the US, and alternatively you can try your request again with a different VM hardware configuration or a later time. Okay, so what I do after is I go to the canary instance and change the hardware here, right? I change it from E2 to N2, and then I select like a different VM hardware. Okay, and then I save. Close that. So now I'm going to start it again, and I already changed my hardware configuration. So which hardware configuration is available if it cannot start again? Right? This is very frustrated. Like where I don't know which hardware you have available for resources, and I have no idea. I'm just going to need to retry and try different type of hardware configuration. I'm sure if I put in like 32 gigs of RAM and then like 100 CPU, they are gonna let me start it. But I don't want to. It's stupid to do that. And this is happening to Google Cloud only. It doesn't happen to Microsoft Azure when I build my VM there. When I build my VM in AWS, it doesn't happen at all as well. I can always start my VM whenever I need it. And Google Cloud, it just make me very disappointed in this situation when I want to turn on my VM and it couldn't be started. And so that's the video. If you are using Google Cloud, I think you will have the same situation unless you are turning on your VM forever, or you turn it on in the weekend or like sometime in the middle of the night, then you don't have problem. But if you are in my situation, like trying to turn it on in the morning and afternoon, I couldn't turn it on. And basically, they are telling me, you did not pay me enough. I don't care. So, yeah, I just want to share with you this video so you're aware when you build your VM on all your VM instance on this foundation, you are not going to gain much from using the Google Cloud. So thank you very much for watching.